The seventh play of the master of the zogho largo across to the middle of the swords is what you do about a cut to the leg. So as Jessica comes to strike and I parry and she just shoots to the leg, I slip the leg back. Fiore says, from the crossing, Fiore says you can discresse this foot. So if you cut to the leg, there's the discressore, so just withdraw it. Yeah, and you can also tornare, return it, which I think means this, where you basically swap your feet. Okay, which I find actually a lot more comfortable than pulling it back and then going back in with the same leg. So look at that once more.
Yeah.
And of course, if Jessica was to just strike at the leg, same rule applies. So. And she just strikes at the leg. Now, Fiore doesn't illustrate this complete pass backwards. I just find it a lot more comfortable. What's illustrated seems to be quite a small discrescimento, or he's showing you the moment after you've stepped back in, because the left leg is quite far forwards, which, given that you're starting with it quite far forwards, it seems unlikely that you're just sort of going, which is what you would have to do to get to that exact position. So I think there's a little bit of play, if you like, in the illustration. If I was left-handed, same rules apply. She comes to strike, she strikes for my leg, there it is. So the basic rule is, Fiore says, that you shouldn't strike at the leg because your opponent will get your head. But then he says, unless you're on the ground, so one of you is on the ground, in which case, obviously the leg is a reasonable target. He doesn't actually specify which person is on the ground, because if I'm on the ground, obviously I can get Jessica's legs, they're the best target for me. And of course, she can whack my legs all she wants.